Hello viewers, I'm that your friend, Father Michael Obodu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. As you can see, we are actually at the market to buy feed for our pigs. Pig farming is actually made for the strong. If you are not strong, there's no way you can go into pig farming. And about 75 to 80% of your money will go into feeding. And if you must go into pig farming, you must be ready to feed your animals morning and evening till you sell them off. And now I'm just here to show us the process of getting our feed. We have some doza, we call them the akamuwes here. This is actually one of the byproducts we use in mixing our feed formulation to give to our animals. And I'm just here to show us all of this to tell you that it is not an easy job, but if you are determined and committed, you will be successful. Once more, I remain that your friend, Father Michael Obodu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Thank you and God bless.